How to pack for 6 weeks on the go. So my husband and I are traveling right now, 6 weeks, 2 different countries, several different places in each country. And this is all that I'm carrying, and he has his pack. And many of you have been interested in how to do this. It makes it so much easier because we can just put this on our back like it is a backpack, and go to the train station and then walk from the train station to wherever we're staying. And when we were in Morocco and just going from a car ride, it was just so easy. And we also could check it. I didn't have to check it for the air flight. So I really recommend packing lightly, and here's how to do it. This is an Osprey. It's an Osprey Porter 46. I've used it a lot. It looks like this. It has the backpack there, and those, when you're on the flight, you can just tuck them in. You can also carry it from this handle here. It's amazing, and I'll show you all the stuff you can put in here. It has a zipper here. I have some notebooks in here, some writing utensils, and then I have my toiletries. And these are great little toiletries. They are able to be taken on a plane, and they are by Tripped. None of this is sponsored. I'm just telling you what we liked. And then this is a great travel thing. It opens up, and then you can put all your stuff in there. Here's the big thing, is you've got to have these packing compartments. And then know what you're going to put in each. So underwear and socks in one, pants, yoga stuff that I haven't really used yet, but I'm teaching a yoga retreat. This is dirty laundry, so I have a sack for that. And then pants. This is a rain jacket. It's amazing, but look how tightly it packs there. And then we have some up here, and then these are flip-flops. So I only brought 2 pairs of shoes. Some people are much more fashion forward than I am. What I love so much are my Vivos. They're very casual looking, but also they can kind of dress up as needed. And I have this, and then I have my flip-flops, and that's it. And these are amazing. We've been clocking anywhere from 20 to 30,000 steps a day, and they're just so comfortable. I love Vivo. So the shirts, these are by Ono, and I have 3 of them, different colors. And the big key is to try and be able to match pants and shirts so that you don't have to bring that many, but then you can try like switching things around to have nice outfits. So I have this in a couple of different colors. The reason these are great is they're light, they're really breathable, and they wash and dry easily, quickly. So they're not heavy like cotton, which takes a while to dry, because we sometimes have had to wash our own clothes. Like when we're in Airbnb and they have a washing machine, great. But when we were in Morocco, many of the places did not have washing stuff. So we brought our scrubba, which is awesome. We put this, it's a scrubba bag. You put your dirty laundry in there with your detergent. We just use one little paper slip of this. It's laundry detergent, and then water it up. And then this is, you can look online about all this, but look how easy it is. You don't have to do it in the sink, you do it in the bag, and it's really lovely. And then you hang your stuff up to dry, and this dries quickly. So do these pants. These pants are awesome. I only wish I got them in a few more colors, but for this trip, I just needed 2. I have a black pair and a brown pair. These are by Viore, and they're high-waisted, forgot the name of them, but I'll put it in the thing below. Viore, I know Viore, but the Villa pants, high-waisted Villa pants. They're super light. They're very, very, not only comfortable, but they look fashionable. You know, you could put on a nice sweater or top and maybe change out your sneakers. I haven't done that, but if you're more into, fashion and stuff, you can really dress this up, put some earrings on, a scarf, and all that stuff. So I have these in brown and black, and those are the only pair of pants I have, besides 1 pair of hiking pants, which I always bring on any of these trips. And then I have my yoga clothes, but I'm not wearing them at all until my yoga retreat. Then I have these shirts. I have 3 of these, and then I have 2 Viore tops that are also very quick to dry. So that's a key thing too. If you're traveling, you want to travel with versatility, comfort, but also thinking about if you're gone for 6 weeks, you're going to have to do laundry, and you probably have to do some on your own. And so you want something that's quick to dry. Finally, you've got to bring technology most likely. And with that, you need to bring your cords, AirPods, and definitely a charging, this charges and it lasts for a day. So that's really nice when we're out and about on many kind of excursions and walking we're never gonna run out of battery. So having a battery charger is awesome, but look at this little travel pack. It's all contained and very neat. And this is by Bag Smart. So I have one of these, my husband has one of these. My husband's bag is this. He loves it, and he's got a lot of stuff in here. It could even get a little bit bigger. You want to get something that you can fit, 6 weeks of clothing in, but remember that you'll wear things multiple times. I brought 5 pairs of socks. I definitely have washed those a lot. So having something to wash, like the scrubber thing, and then having like some kind of drying rack is also great, but you can also be creative. So the key is pack light, and that way you'll have a lot more fun. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.